Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice. Today's wig review video is going to be on Recool hair. I'm just going to start off with the unboxing. This is how it all looks. Of course, you have a bag full of goodies and as well as the box that comes with the wig. This is a 13x4, a balayage highlighted wig. It's a 22-inch wig, and of course it was sent by Recool hair. It didn't take long for the wig to come in. It came in about 3 to 5 business days. I didn't have no trouble with receiving the hair. I didn't have no troubles with installing this wig. So everything that came in the box, of course, you have wig caps, a scarf, a bonnet. It came with bobby pins, and the HD wig caps are very popular right now. This wig straight out of the box was so silky straight. And I will get further into the details, but I do want to let y'all know this wig is super silky. You have no problems with tangling or anything such as that. This wig does come in a light brown lace as well, so it's not very transparent. It was just light brown, but it was so thick, 180% density. The ends were very blunt and thick, so you didn't have to worry about thin ends. But as you can see, this hair is so silky already. You hardly have any flyaways at all. Like, it's like bone straight silk. Bone straight silk. So I was very excited about this wig. It does come with an elastic strap in the back. Alright, so jumping right into the installing. So I did bleach the knots. You don't necessarily have to bleach the knots. In the previous video, you can tell that the knots are very small, so you don't actually have to bleach the knots, but of course I like scalp on top of scalp. So I went ahead and bleached the knots and washed this hair. This hair, as you can see, it is still silky. It's still silky, and I only blow dried it, and it's still super straight. I did go ahead and pluck the wig as well some more because it wasn't plucked enough for me, but it does come partially pre-plucked, if I can say it right, pre-plucked. So it is a ready to go wig, but I do the most. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots and pluck some more and installed it that way. Now, with the lace being light brown, I didn't actually add any foundation onto my lace because it was a brownish color. So I just installed it regularly. I installed it with my Erica J glue, and I just do the same old routine by using my eyebrow razor, cutting off my lace. But as you keep watching, I wanted to try some different styles with this hair. Normally, it's always a middle part, side part, or straight up curly. So I was like, you know what? Let's do something different. So I ended up doing a different style with this wig, and I absolutely fell in love, y'all. The hair is so... it's not even enough words to let y'all know how silky this hair is. This hair is bone straight, no flyaways, no nothing. Everything was really just giving pretty much with this wig, no lie. Everything was just really coming out the way it should have came out. So I was so happy with this wig. It fits so good on my head as well. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too small. I did adjust the straps in the back as well to make it fit more onto my head. This wig does come in about an average size, so it is about a medium wig cap for this wig. So if you have a large head, it may not work for you because it does have a snug feel to it, but it fits really good.
Show you many things you can utilize.
Alright, so boom. The one thing that I absolutely love about this hair is you don't even have to flat iron it. Like, for real. This hair is pretty much silky straight. As you can see, I do just go through it basically one time throughout the hair, and that's it. This hair is so silky. It's not catching. It takes heat very well. You can see the flow in this hair without even pressing it out. This hair has so much volume. It has so much shine, and just pretty much really nice. Now, I don't know what they did differently, but this hair really is silky. Now y'all see it. But the one thing I really love about this hair is the fact that when you straighten it, no flyaways are popping up. Usually when you apply heat, all the flyaways start popping up, but not with this. You straighten it and you're gonna get straight. So this next clip, I'm gonna just show y'all exactly how I style this hair. I've been seeing this hairstyle trending a lot around on social media, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. So I was like, you know what, let me just try it. And honestly, I didn't think it was gonna come out bomb like it did, but it did. It definitely did, and this was the perfect hair to do it. And I'm not like a huge fan of highlights, but the highlights actually complement this style. Like, it just gave that added like wow factor. So I did just do like the 2 pieces in the front for like the bang pieces, and I did 2 twists in the middle, and I had slicked the sides, y'all. This hair this hair was definitely it, and it really made me be that girl for the day, the weekend. And it lasted. Didn't just have no problems at all. I love this hair. I love the hairstyle. Like, everything just came together. The parting space on it is good too. So with this wig, the frontal is like a full frontal. It's not one of those frontals where you barely have any sides on it. Like, you have a legit side part, a legit side frontal on this wig. So that's a plus.
Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie ou est mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat, hey. She love how I make it on wet, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade, hey. From the cradle to the grave, hey. Gordo got me on a wave, and got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave, wait. You niggas better behave, what? All that pumping up your chest, what? All that talk about the best, what? You know how sticky it gets. Yeah. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you know it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I'm millions. I did. The toughest act follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me, niggas really had they back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me.
When everything is put on, and everybody takes a, and everything gets a, it's you alone sugar. All that pumping up your all that talk about the. You know how sticky it gets. Like we weren't supposed to come up with this clean. Something happened.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time is now. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly.